Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn about one prophet. The prophet name is Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. Let's start. The camel and the evil people. This is a story of what happened a long time ago. In the land of Arabia, there was a tribe called Samud. The tribe of Samud were great builders. They built many towns. Some towns were on the plains, and some towns were in the Rocky Mountains. There were beautiful palaces and castles in the towns on the plains. Everybody admired them, but the towns in the Rocky Mountains were even more beautiful. The houses were cut of the rocks of the mountains. People from far away would come to look at them. Nobody believed men could make such beautiful houses. Among the tribe of Samud, there lived a prophet of Allah. His name was the Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. The Prophet Saleh alayhi salam often prayed to Allah. He thanked Allah for all the gifts Allah gave to the people. He thanked Allah for the great skill of building houses. He also thanked Allah for teaching people how to make houses in the Rocky Mountains. The people of Samud said to each other, "We are the smartest people on the earth. We know how to build beautiful palaces. We know how to cut houses out of the rocks. We have learned everything ourselves. Why should we thank Allah for anything?" People of Samud became weak and mean. They had many wells, but they did not let other people's sheep and camels drink from the wells. They had many green grassy meadows, but they did not let other people's sheep and camels graze there. Allah saw their weakness. He said, "Let me test them. If they fail the test, I will punish them." To test them, Allah sent a beautiful she-camel. The Prophet ﷺ told the people to be good to the she-camel. He told them to let her walk around. He also told them to let her drink cool water and eat fresh grass. But the people of Samud were mean and weak. They wounded the she-camel of Allah and then killed her. They were also mean to the Prophet ﷺ. They wanted him to leave their country. They even planned to kill him. Allah was very angry with them. He made the earth shake and rumble. An earthquake, the houses collapsed. The weak people died under the rains. Only the good people were safe. Allah tests all people. He punishes the bad people and He helps the good people. He saves them from all danger. Thank you very much.